Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the dishwasher ready. Make sure power is on and the door is closed so controls respond. Once done, press and hold the cancel/drain button for about 3 to 5 seconds until lights flash. This forces the current program to stop and triggers the drain and reset sequence. You do this because Bosch locks program selection during an active cycle. Canceling releases that lock and clears the control so you can choose a new program. Wait for the pump to finish before moving to the next step. After the dishwasher has drained and the door lock releases, open the door and stand close to the control panel. Now select the new program using the program buttons or dial. Press the program label or rotate to the setting you want. You'll see the corresponding indicator light. Make sure to set any additional options like half load, delay timer, or extra dry. These modify cycle time and water temperature. You do this because program choice determines water temperature, spray pattern, and duration for Once your program and options are set, close the door firmly and press start or start/resume. You should hear the pump or see the program light confirm the cycle has begun. If the dishwasher doesn't start, make sure the child lock is off, the door is fully latched, and the appliance has power. These are common reasons it won't accept a new program. If controls remain frozen, cut power for 30 seconds to let the electronics fully reset, and then repeat the selection and start steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.